Hello, Velvet.
Yes.
I need your help.
Welcome, Loyalty Squad. This is the Velvet Locks coming back to you with another weight loss banger. Okay, I'm going to show you how to lose weight even while you are sleeping. Alright, and I'm going to show you exactly a simple, easy drink for you to drink at night, 1 hour before bed, and you are still going to burn fat. Now, this drink is going to boost your metabolism up even while your body is in a resting state. So let's get on with this video and let me show you this 1, 2, 3 easy way of burning fat even while you sleep. Okay, you guys, this is grape juice, and this is 100% grape juice with no sugar, no coloring or flavored added. This is 100% grape juice. If you don't have grape juice, you can buy the fresh grapes. Now, the best one to get for the red grapes that are seedless. Now, with the red grapes or the regular grapes, you can blend them and then strain them, okay? And you drink the natural juice from them. What you do is, an hour before going to bed, you're just going to drink yourself a nice little small glass of grape juice. You're going to pour 6 ounces. Small glass of 100% grape juice before going to bed can help you to burn fat even while you sleep. Drinking simple carbs, which are found in grape juice, causes insulin secretion at night. Insulation regulates the body, circadian rhythms, plus grapes are packed with antioxidants, which converts calorie-storing white fat into calorie-burning fat. And like I said, you drink a simple glass every evening and your metabolism is going to boost, and even while you're resting, you're going to be burning fat. You're going to change those storing white fat cells, which is what is stored in our bodies, and you're going to turn it into calorie burning brown fat. So this is a simple, easy video. Just wanted to show you a simple remedy of something that you can drink at night before going to bed and still lose weight. Now, let me just remind you, you also have to eat a clean diet, but this is going to help to boost your metabolism and get your body revved up even while you're sleeping. Alright, you guys, so there it is. Simple, easy way to burn fat even while you sleep. Drink a small glass of grape juice every evening, and it's going to boost your metabolism up even while your body's in a resting state. Alright? So I want to thank you so much for joining me on this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe down below. Share these video ideas with your friends and family, y'all. It is simple, it's easy, and like I said, you don't have to buy the bottled grape juice, and definitely do not buy those concentrated grape juices in the supermarket that are from Welch's and Ocean Spray. No, not those. 100% grape juice. And if you can't find the organic grape juice in your stores, then 500 ml of grapes, wash them thoroughly, put them in a blender, add a cup of water, blend it down and strain it, and you got grape juice. Okay, you can do that too every evening. Alright, so I thank you again for joining me. Like, comment, subscribe, share these videos. Also check down below in the Amazon affiliate links for wonderful items, and check in my eBay store for wonderful tonics, herbal honeys, herbs, spices that's going to help you with your weight loss journey. Okay, and check out my other channel, Velvet Vlogs, where you will see hair care videos, skincare, beauty care, and family vlogs. And until the next time, you guys, your big sis and auntie loves you, and I will see you again in the next video. Bye.
Hey family,
This is the Velvet Locks coming back to you with another powerful announcement. If you haven't heard about it yet and haven't tried it yet, well, I want to bring to you something that is going to help you on your weight loss journey. This is a powerful tonic that's going to help to flatten your stomach. It's going to get rid of that excess waste in your colon, so this way you can get rid of that excess weight. This is something that's going to help to lower your cholesterol levels, your blood sugar levels, as well as your blood pressure. For those of you who haven't been able to get rid of that weight and burn fat because of low metabolism, this is something that's going to boost your metabolism, give you that extra energy that you need to burn that weight. This is also going to cleanse your blood because it's a detox. It's going to get rid of those harmful toxins in your body that's keeping you sluggish from getting rid of that weight. So check out the Flat and Firm Belly Detox. This has been flying off the shelf like crazy. This is my popular detox tonic that's been working for so many. So if you're trying to lose weight, get those inches off, as well as lower your blood pressure, lower your cholesterol, lower your blood sugar, and boost your metabolism, give you extra energy, and suppress your appetite, well, check out the Firm and Flat Belly Detox. This is powerful, this is organic, and it's also safe for those of you who are on blood pressure medication as well as being diabetic. So check out the Firm and Flat Belly Detox, you guys. You will not be disappointed. It works. This is going to get rid of those extra inches off your waist because you're cleansing your colon and getting those wasteful toxins out of your body. So like I said, check down below in the description bar where you will find the links to my eBay store for this powerful Firm and Flat Belly Detox. So get your health journey back on track. Check out the links down below. Now, if you are living under a rock and have not already been visiting or purchasing from my personal eBay store, then I don't know what else to tell you, because you are definitely losing out with these wonderful herbal honeys that help men and women in the bedroom. Well, I have some awesome honeys that will boost your body up. That's great for the libido. That's great for the testosterone. That's great to strengthen your stamina, change the mood, increase the sperm count. It helps with that powerful stamina, that stand tall longevity. So check out my eBay store for these herbal honeys that's going to help you in the bedroom and along with your play. All right, this is great for both men and women, and it comes with so many wonderful benefits. Check down below in my eBay store, and when you check out the item, check in the description where it will tell you so much about the item, what you should expect from it. Okay, you're not going to see these things on YouTube. You're not going to see anybody else promoting this. This is original, and it's only seen on this channel. Okay, so like I said, visit down below in my eBay store. The links will be down in the description box of this video, and you will be able to have access to all of these awesome items in my store. All right, so until the next time, you guys, have fun. Okay, and I will see you in the next video.